Welcome back to the Kashyap Tech IT Brothers. So this is the part 25th of the tutorial. So in this we will going to see by creating the SSIS package and adding a different destination in SSIS, like we will add multiple destination and we'll fetch the data from the source to and transfer to the destination. So let's start with the for SSIS Visual Studio. So first of all, let's create one package, that is a project solution integration service. Then click on the next, provide a meaningful name, like it's a part 25. Create. Yep, you can see the solution has been created and the project one package is already created. So rename it by giving the meaningful name. Now we require source, correct? So first of all, we require a one data flow task for doing the transformation in a data flow. So double click on this. Okay, I have taken the execute SQL task. Just remove it and click on this and move it. Then go to data flow panel. Now you can see we have all the components here in a toolbox. So let's first take the source from where we are going to fetch the data. So let's first I will explain you how what I will I will going to do here. So there is a some tables like department 1, department 2. They have a data of a department, and I will going to fetch the data from the department 1 and department 2, and will insert this data into Excel and in another OLEDB destination, that is department 3 table. Okay, so let's move to the Visual Studio, take the source. Yep, so I will create a new connection. I'll take I will give my server name. Okay, now let's select the database, that is adventure taste it, click OK. Now the database connection has been configured, you can see in the connection manager. Now let's map the table, that is the department 1, click on OK. Now I will take another destination, that is source, that is the OLEDB source 1, and this I will map department 2. Okay, click on OK. Now I will use here merge as well and audit component as well to make the SSIS package big, as we will going to see all the components like a merge, sort and multicast in this like a video. So let's first take the audit components. I wanted to add some audit as well in this. Okay, I will take two audit. Okay, and from here I will take package name and package execution start time. So basically when you are going to merge the two table, you have to make sure the column should be same. Okay, so that's why I'm taking the same audit on both the side. Okay, so you can see I have configured the audit components. Now I will use sort, because in merge we require the data should be in a sorted form. Okay, so where is merge here? So first sort the data. So I will use department ID in a ascending order. Okay, and same here as well, I will use department ID in ascending order. Now let's merge it. So it will ask for input, so that is the merge input 1 and merge input 2, it will get goes to another so source. Okay, now let's I will use destination for this merge as a derived column. Okay, you can use it anything else. but right now I will use derive column just for testing purpose, and I will click here, enable the data viewer to see if the data is coming properly or not. So this is my first destination. Now let's use multicast to transfer this data in here as well. So that is the error one. Okay, so let's remove this one and take this data here. Okay, now this will go in audit. Now you can see the mapping is perfect now, correct? So basically my OLEDB source data, it's come from here, and OLEDB source one data, like a second one, that is the source data, it will go to the multicast and then it will come to here in a audit one. Now multicast I'm using to transfer the data into multiple destination as well, like in a different destination. So let's take Excel destination for the first time. So let's map it first, then I will see the error, what error will come. So configure it. I have a destination one Excel sheet. Click OK. Select the sheet name, whatever you have given the sheet name in Excel, so you have to select here. So it takes some time, not regularly, but it's taking in my system. So let's wait for the few seconds, then we will configure the, we will map the column as well. Yeah, department 1, and you can map the columns. Click OK. You can see it's configured properly. Now I will use one more OLEDB destination here to transfer the same data into this. So basically I will transfer those data from source to in department 3. Map the column, click OK. Okay, now you can see here it's throwing some error. If you take your cursor on this red mark, red cross, you will see the failure inserting into the read only column department ID. It means the department ID is only read only. Okay, it's a I think so it's a increment and it's a primary column, so you can't be add the column, it will get automatically created. Okay, so if you see here 1 2 3, it's a total 10 counts. So let's skip first like a department column, so you can just click on the ignore and click on OK. The error is gone. Okay, now our configuration is fine, means like there is a no error in, you can see there is a no error. So let's save it and try to run it. Yep, so you can see this is the data viewer for let me just small minimize this window. Here we have enabled the data viewer here, like a 34 rows was merged, like you can see 70 rows is coming from here, 17 rows was come from here to in a multicast, then 17 rows is in an audit, and it's come here by sorting it from the both side and it's merged, then its total output will be 34. And you can see we have added this some two columns for the audit purpose. So you can see here that two columns it's added here, that is the package name and an execution start time. So for the audit purpose you can use the derive column as well for the by using the expression. Okay, so yep, so this is the part for the uh, sorting one. And now we have moved to the multicast 70 rows. So 70 rows come from here to Excel and 70 rows into destination. So you can see the Excel as well. We have a data like a 17 records was inserted in Excel as well. Okay, and if you see our destination, that is OLEDB, which we have configured here. Okay, so 17 rows also has been transferred here as well. So if you click on the select, then you can see the data here. Okay, So yep. So basically you can use multiple destination like as per your uh, requirement. So you can use the flat file as well here, like by uh, drag and drop from here, and you can join the flat file as well, and you can use the multiple excel file, like to transfer this data from the source to destination by joining here, like I'm joining, like you can configure it by, it's a new, then you can click on the new. Okay, it's a destination 2, then click on OK. So you have to select the drop down, that is this one. Now you can map this column here as well, you can do the same things. Okay, so by doing this like that, then you can transfer the source data in a multiple destination. Multiple, it can be anything, like flat file. It's flat file, it's nothing but it's it's a notepad or excel or anything else, you can transfer the data. Okay, you can map it and do the transformation. Okay, so yeah, that's it. If you have any feedback regarding this, and if you have any doubt, or if you have anything, any suggestion for me to in an explanation, so please comment it in a video, and please share and subscribe and like it. Thank you so much.